Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to begin your journey with Binance. Binance is a premier global cryptocurrency exchange, trusted by over 280 million users across the world. It offers a vast selection of more than 500 cryptocurrencies and over 1,500 trading pairs, providing extensive opportunities. Beyond just trading, Binance is a comprehensive ecosystem, offering services like earning passive income and a secure digital wallet. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started on this powerful platform. Setting up your Binance account is straightforward. First, register using your email, phone number, or even your Google or Apple ID. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This involves submitting a valid government-issued identification document and a clear selfie. This crucial step ensures compliance and unlocks full platform features. Finally, always enable two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator, to add a vital layer of security to your account, protecting your digital assets. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is funding it. You have several convenient options to deposit money. You can use traditional methods like a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Alternatively, if you already own cryptocurrency, you can directly transfer it from an external wallet. Remember to select the correct network for crypto deposits to avoid issues. Always check for any associated deposit fees and be mindful of processing times, which can range from minutes to several business days depending on your chosen method. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first trade. Head to the spot market, where you can buy or sell real cryptocurrencies. For immediate transactions, use a market order, which executes at the current price. If you prefer to buy or sell at a specific price, a limit order is your best choice. Beyond trading, Binance offers exciting features like Binance Earn, allowing you to generate passive income from your crypto holdings and various staking programs. Dive in and explore the diverse functionalities available to you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.